What's up guys and welcome to
Air Talk.
Now we're going to sort this desk out first. I'm feeling a bit vulnerable here. Just give me a moment. Sort yourself out, Benny. Bloody hell. Done? You're here bagging it with the best. I'm Jacob, this is Benny, and on this episode we're going to be talking about the topic, do airbags leak? So let's kick things off with the rubber components. Now the rubber material there is very similar to a car tire. It is a porous material and in different weather conditions, it can fluctuate in pressure. So if it's cold, the pressure drops, and if it's hot, the pressure increases.
That pressure fluctuation though isn't a bad thing. Doesn't mean you have a faulty part. Just a bit of general maintenance will keep your vehicle nice and level under all low conditions.
As for our heavy duty polyurethane parts, this material is not porous like our rubber parts here. However, in different weather temperatures, hot or cold, the pressure can fluctuate just a bit.
Now, if you are losing quite a bit of pressure over a short period of time, it could be down to a few factors such as your airline's poorly prepared, or it's even damaged from routing it through sharp edges or even past heat sources like your exhaust. And even debris in your fittings, so giving them a good clean out and preparing some nice airline is the way to go.
We supply all our air suspension kits with pre-assembled airline, so it's got all the protector along the full length of tubing. Who else does that, Benny? Couldn't tell you. Exactly. Now another thing is our push to connect fittings. So as long as you cut the tubing nice and straight, push it into the push to connect fitting, it's obviously easy to fit, but also creates a nice or secure airtight seal.
If you install your airbag kit as per our installation instructions using the correct tools and a bit of common sense, you'll have a worry-free air suspension system.
Operation. Now running your airbags below the recommended airbag height will leave your airbags in a bottomed out state under load. Yes, they act as a replacement bump stop, however only temporary.
And continuous bottoming out will damage the internal sealing layer, so maintaining the correct airbag height will ensure you've got a long service life out of your system.
With the blue coil helper airbags, you need to keep a minimum of 5 psi to ensure the airbag stays nicely molded to the coil and it doesn't pinch inside the coil when the coil compresses. So keep a minimum of 5 psi and you'll be good.
Check out the attention to detail and design of our airbags. They are all a one-piece, fully sealed and pressure-tested design with quality and heavy-duty materials used throughout.
We've been running these airbags for over 20 years now in all sorts of applications, and prior to that, our father has been using them since his early 20s.
So when you're looking for an air suspension system, make sure you look for quality and history over price.
Now with that being said, select the right kit for your vehicle, operate and install your airbags correctly, bit of general maintenance and common sense, and you will get many, many years out of your air suspension system.
You can check out absolutely stacks of awesome reviews across our social media and Google platforms, ranging from recently installed kits all the way through to 20 years of use.
There we go guys, that's a wrap for this episode. We hope you enjoyed watching it. If you have anything you'd like us to talk about air suspension wise, just whack it in the comments below.
Also, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful videos like this. Now remember,
bag it with the best.